Side hustles are great in that they allow people flexibility as they can manage their own time. You can acquire new skills from your side hustle. Side hustles encourage innovation and entrepreneurship. Benefits of side hustles. You can increase your income. You can possibly convert a passion or hobby into a money-generating business. You can explore different career paths. They are a hedge against uncertainty, as they are another income stream. You get to control your own schedule. You will need to manage your time effectively. Set realistic goals and schedules. It is easy to get caught up in your side hustle. Be careful with how you manage your time to stay productive. Fear of failure. Everyone fears this. Do your best to stay positive. Read positive thinking books. Have a clear plan and stick to it. Leverage resources smartly by using Upwork, networking, and online platforms. Delegate tasks if possible. By creating a solid plan and testing your concept, then adapting based on feedback, you can sustain your business long term. Side hustle mindset. Practice mindfulness to stay focused. Plan effectively and balance commitments. Don't overstretch yourself and burn out. Keep learning and improving your skills. Network to build relationships with like-minded people. You can perhaps collaborate with them in the future. Be resilient and bounce back from setbacks. Use downturns in business to improve your business. Celebrate the wins, no matter how small, to stay motivated. It is a marathon and not a sprint. By doing this, you will build a resilient side hustle.